Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikita Malkani from Center Mother Teresa English School, Nandurbar. Here I am again in front of all of you to teach you our perfect grammar lesson number 12, future tense for standard 3rd. Verbs. Verbs in the future tense describe actions that are expected to take place later. फ्यूचर टेंस मीन्स वो एक्शंस जो हो सकता है कि फ्यूचर में आगे चल के हो. आई विल बाय अ न्यू कैमरा नेक्स्ट वीक. विल बाय मीन्स नेक्स्ट वीक, अगले हफ्ते मैं न्यू कैमरा लूँगा या लेने वाला हूँ. माई फादर विल विजिट माई सिस्टर इन मुंबई इन जनवरी. जनवरी में विल विजिट हर इन जनवरी. In the above sentences, the verb will buy, will visit denote action that will be done in the future. Actions जो future में होने वाले हैं, जो आगे कभी किसी तो भी दिन होंगे. In the future tense, we use will or shall in addition to the main verb. जैसे present tense में हम use करते हैं is, am, are. See, I'll write it here. Here. Are, is, am used in present tense. Was or were used in past tense. So in the same way, will or shall is used in future tense. Understood everyone? Yeah. In modern English, use of shall is quite rare and will is used most commonly. In English or in our English day-to-day language, shall is very rarely used. Shall किसके साथ use होता है? Shall, this word shall is mostly used with subjects like I and we. Only with the subjects I and we, shall is used. And will is used with all other subjects. With all subjects. Understood everyone? Let's move further to the exercise. You'll understand it better. A. Rewrite the following sentence in future tense. First, I do my homework regularly. What I said, with I and we, what we will use? Shall. See here above. I said it here. With I and we will use shall. So we will write it here. I shall do my homework regularly. Before the verb से पहले हमें use करना है shall या will. So the verb is do. Before do we will write shall. Second, Sejal and Raman play together in the evening. Sejal and Raman will play together in the evening. 3. We go to school by bus. We shall go to school by bus. 4th, they finish their work on time. They will finish their work on time. 5th, I have pineapple juice after lunch. I shall have, shall we will use here as future tense. Shall have pineapple juice after lunch. 6th, chicks hatch out of eggs. Chicks will hatch out of eggs. 7. We walk in the park in the morning. We shall walk in the park in the morning. 8. Rupali and Sanaya do their homeworks neatly. Rupali and Sanaya will do their homework neatly. B. Fill in the blanks with the future tense form of the verbs given below. Here the verbs are given. We have to make future tense of them. Okay. First, the train. The train will leave the station at 12:30 p.m. Second, the milkman. The milkman will bring milk late tomorrow. Will bring. 3. Ravi will go to Mumbai next month for a wedding. Will go. 4th, if we study hard, we shall score good marks. Shall score. Shall क्यों आया यहाँ पे? Because the subject is we. Fifth, Johnny Depp will perform a magician. Fifth, Johnny Depp will perform as a magician in his next film. Will perform. Sixth, if we do not hurry, we shall miss the train. If we don't hurry, we shall. We subject is we, so shall will come. 7. Our team will win the match against Sri Lanka. Will win. 8th. Shall I grow up? When 8th. When I grow up, I shall travel all around the world. Here the subject is I, so the verb or so the future tense came shall. Understood everyone? C. Imagine you are the richest person in the world. Write 5 sentences about how will you spend your money to help others. We have to write 5 sentences in future tense showing that how we will help with our money to others. First, you can write of your own. I have written some examples here. I shall spend money on charity. I shall give scholarship to poor children. I shall distribute warm clothes to the poor. I shall donate the money to old age home. I shall give donation to the homes for handicapped children. So these were the sentences written by me. So with I used shall as future tense, and you can write these sentences of your own, but be careful with grammatical mistakes. Okay? So I hope you all understood what is future tense.